How will the pharmaceutical industry define hope for the future? The next blockbuster drugs, a promising pipeline of drug candidates, innovation to push the boundaries of medicine. The goal? Safer and more effective drugs. At Algorithm Pharma, scientists use mass spectrometry technology from AB Science to advance drug discovery and development. This contract research organization is an example of innovation at work.
Algorithm Pharma work to help pharmaceutical companies to develop new drugs in a faster and safer way, contributing to the global health. The focus is to develop quantitative method for the quantification on drug in biological fluids, so it's regulated by analysis lab.
The technology that brings scientists to the next level in reaching their goals is the most innovative triple quadrupole system on the market today.
The Qtrap 5500 have many tools, but that one really specifically interests my field of expertise is the MRM Cube. This is an extra tool that is important in quantification to increase selectivity. When MRM is not enough, is where MRM Cube gives the extra tools, the extra selectivity for extra fragmentation, to remove matrix or remove noise from the background. Probably this one is the dream of every mass spectrometry. So to use the Qtrap in a regulated environment is very important because we work under very strict regulation from the FDA, the EMA new regulation. So our work is submitted to regulatory agency, and to be able to quantify drugs and validate the method using this instrument has been something that never been used before, the MRM Cube in this specific field.
In regulated bioanalysis, there's the challenge to increase sensitivity and selectivity.
Something that is really new, actually not new as a technology, but new now in the use, is the dry blood spot. The dry blood spot is, for the bioanalytical lab, is an extra challenge because you reduce the amount of samples and you work with more dirty matrix. From plasma we go to blood. So again, it's an instrument that allowed extra selectivity for MRM Cube. Probably the next step to go is with the triple top 5600, where we can use high resolution to do a full quantification in a regulated environment, and that's what give an extra tools to deal the most difficult challenge that we are facing now.
The relationship between AB Science and the pharmaceutical industry is steeped in a long and successful history that continues to grow through pharma's use of the AB Science Qtrap and triple TOF technologies.
AB Science is always bringing something new and improve and able to understand the challenge that scientists are dealing with every day and to try to help them to solve them. So I'm always been very impressed by the ability of the company to respond fast to the challenge in the pharmaceutical field.
It's the ability to understand and respond quickly to these challenges that help make AB Science the leading innovator in the industry, ultimately contributing to improving global health.